my name is Sydney Thomas from Aurora Middle School, and I will be teaching you how to add, subtract, and multiply integers using integer chips. These are integer chips, and a red integer chip equals -1, and a yellow integer chip equals +1, and together they make a pair of 0. The first thing we're going to be working on today with integers is adding. So we're going to start with 8 plus -13. Okay, so we are going to start by having 8 yellow chips, which is a +8, and we are going to add on 13 red chips. So we are going to match up these into pairs of 0, and we are left with -5 red chips. Next problem we are going to work on is subtraction with integer chips. So this is an example problem. We are going to subtract -2 from 11. So I put out 11 positive yellow chips, and we need to figure out how to put on negatives without changing the value of these positives. So we will have to put out pairs of 0. We will have to put out pairs of 0. 2 pairs of 0 because it is -2. So now our problem is 11 take away -2. So we have 11 and we have our -2. So now all we do is take those 2 away. And all you're left with is a +13. So back to our problem, we're going to do -3 times -3, which can also be said take away 3 groups of -3. So this paper here equals 0. And without changing the value of 0, we have to set out 3 groups of -3. So we have to set out 9 pairs of 0. So now we have 3 groups of -3, and it says to take away 3 groups of -3. So that's what we're going to do. So 1 group away, 2 groups away, and 3 groups away. So we are left with a +9. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something.
When you subtract negatives from a positive, you need negative.
So now we have 3 groups of -3, and it says to take away 3 groups of -3. So that's what we're going to do. So 1 group away, 2 groups away, and 3 groups away. So we are left with a +9.